Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Chris Hendricks from Never Broke Again. Feel me? Right before we get into the video, I just wanna thank every single one of you who subscribed. We finally reached 13,000 subscribers, and we have over 500,000 views in total. So I just wanna say thank you to every single one of you, and just make sure you keep supporting us, and we'll keep posting content. So uh, getting started, I'm just gonna open my TradingView tool or platform. So today I just want to talk about indices that I took basically this week, the trades I was looking at this week, excluding currencies. So um, we're only gonna be looking at these two at the top, silver and gold. So I'm gonna start off by going to silver. So just before I start analyzing, I just want to show you guys uh, my setup for silver before it played out. So I'm sharing a file from my Google Drive. So this is the pair or setup that I had. As you can see, we had a very good bearish flag right here with a simple 1 2 3 touch formation to the downside. So that was basically my analysis. And what time frame is this? 1 hour. So I'm just gonna break down what I saw and how come my analysis turned out like this. So I'm just gonna go back to the previous page and open my chart so we can start. So with this one, uh, it's a bit choppy, as you can see. It's just been going sideways. So what we do is basically trade within the channel, and I'm not gonna scale it up to the daily or so, because I usually don't hold these kind of trades for so long. So I'm just gonna zoom into the current market, and the first thing that I do, my first rule is spot your highest high and your lowest, right? So what's next is you need to spot out your structure within your channel, basically. So I'm just gonna quickly get my trendline tools, and as you can see, we kind of having this ascending structure. So you can just connect your touches, but you can see it's not a very ideal structure. So I'm just gonna remove everything and add more highs and lows, basically, because we are not having a decent structure. So I'm just gonna put these lows and highs, current price, sorry, and zoom in. So basically I'm only gonna trade within this area. Let me just highlight just to show you the channel. So I'm within this channel, basically. So I need to figure out my structure in this channel, since I couldn't figure it out in the bigger time frames. So I'm gonna quickly grab my trendline tool, and as you can see, we had this nice bearish flag, which was relatively flat, which is a good thing. And as you can see, we have a series of touches. Let me just get my tools. As you can see, we had a series of 3 touches right there, and the third one, that's where we based our trade off. Let me just quickly so basically, after rejections, we could have did that. So, and I did set this setup to my lifetime clients before it played out, so they shouldn't miss out on this trade. But as you can see, if I zoom into the 13-minute time frame or 15-minute, just to get a clear view or picture, we had quite a series of rejections. So right here were the first rejections, and right here, so it's a double top and a double top again. So there was enough confirmation for us to just go down. So let me just quickly go back to that screenshot, and as you can see, I entered once it started rejecting for the first time. I took the sell, and basically the price for the next hours, it was basically just being choppy and going sideways until I think this morning, that's when it really shot down. So okay, I'm quickly gonna go back. So that was silver, and if you are not that confident with your setups, you can actually analyze a different pair to confirm this one. So usually the pairs that go hand in hand. So with silver, it's usually gold. That's why I'm only analyzing these two, because they go hand in hand. So we're gonna basically repeat the same concept, but then with this one, there's a bit of structure, so it's easy to analyze. So first things first, get my lowest low. As you can see, we have a series of touches down there, which is good. It confirmed that low. So current price, that's where we're gonna draw our highest high. So basically, we need to figure out what's going on within these two horizontal lines. So I'm quickly gonna grab my trendline tool and get a nice resistance there. So I don't have to draw a support because I don't know what the support is. So I'm just gonna use the main one, the lowest low, and move on. So I'm gonna scale down to the 4-hour time frame and get my trendline tool again and just draw backwards because it already happened. So as you can see, we have something like this, or you can adjust your lines according to your touches, but it doesn't matter. So as you can see, gold as well, it had this ascending structure where you had a couple of touches, 1 2 3, same concept. At the third one, you had a huge sell-off. So you can see it's the same, it's similar as silver. They're both dropping. It's just that the difference are the structures, but then the overall movement is quite similar. So I used this one to confirm basically my my silver setup. So I just want to show you a bit of confluence with this one. So you can see this huge trend line that connects these three touches right here: first touch, second touch, and the third one where I predicted my entry. So these three touches connecting with this ascending structure as three touches as well at the same point. So at this area was a huge it was a lot of people were looking at this zone because there was just so much confluence, and whoever is using the same or something similar, the way I analyze, probably saw this too. So they executed a bunch of sells there. So that's why we had a nice sell off. Just look at the daily candlestick. Let me just remove these colors. as you can see, this huge daily candlestick engulfing almost every previous candlestick. And then you had a second one. It just opened last night, midnight. So you have a series of two bearish candlesticks and the daily, which is so significant. It is definitely going to the downside. So that was our confirmation for silver. Let's quickly go back to silver. And okay, it seems like we're a bit close to taking profit, because around these areas you can start going out the trades from this point. So basically we've reached take profit, but then I don't usually communicate such things like we've reached take profit or target with this or that. I just send simple charts, and you should see that from my analysis. If my pattern gets to these areas, that means from that point, that's where you should start going out the trades. So that is that for silver, which is XAG against USD, with gold, which is XAU against USD. They're both selling. As you can see, they're both red. Gold dropped by almost half, 1%. Silver, it was 1%, 1.55%. So silver took a huge drop, and that is what I was looking at. So this was a very good trade, very simple. It was just a flag after a huge rejection from the daily. So let me just show you guys the daily candlestick. So as you can see, we had this rejection followed by another bearish candlestick that was bearish. So we had so much confluence with these ones. So that is that. I just wanted to show you guys the trade I took this week, and basically to thank everyone of you for getting us to 13,000 subscribers. It's been a very nice journey. We'll keep posting more videos, so just make sure you like, subscribe, share with whoever's interested in learning. If you want mentorship, it will be down in the description, so you can check that out if you're into such things. So until we meet again, this was Chris Hendricks from Never Broke Again.
Run a fire down in Panama. It's like a movie, but on cinema. No taste, no cameras. No taste, no cameras. I'm back in the studio. Damn, you know I'm so froggy, yo. Damn, you know how to teddy, yo. Emerson moving, big daddy, yo. Diamonds be dancing on my teeth. You know I'm fresh, boy. Yeah. Ain't nobody gonna